Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel MiTutorials. Do you want to add 18 powerful time intelligence calculations to your Power BI model in just a few clicks? Instead of manually creating each measure one by one, what if I told you there is a way to generate them all instantly? With TMDL, you can supercharge your workflow, save tons of time, and build a dynamic time-based analysis with ease. If you're new to TMDL or haven't heard of it before, I highly recommend checking out my Introduction to TMDL video where I break down 9 different use case scenarios that just show how powerful TMDL can be. Now let's dive in and see how we can create all these calculations effortlessly. I've created 18 different calculations here, like your total sales, your year to date, month to date, quarter to date, current year, previous month, year over year growth, quarter over quarter growth, month over month growth, same period last year, same period last month, rolling 12 months total. Now these are the most used 18 calculations that I have created, and I will be sharing this TMDL script with you. All you have to do is just copy paste into your model and apply. And once you do that, you will have all of these 18 time intelligence calculations applied in your model instantly. So let's dive in and create these calculation groups. I'm here in a new Power BI file, and if I go to the model view, you will see that I only have one table here, which is the fact table. So let's first create a calendar table. I'm going to create this manually here, but you can also create a calendar table using the TMDL view. So let's start by typing in calendar is equals to calendar and type in the minimum date here of my order date, comma, and then max of order date, close the brackets and confirm. I now have the calendar table created in my model. What I will do is I'm going to create a relationship between the date and the order date field from my fact table and then click on save. I now have a relationship created here. Let's go back to the report view. Now it's time for us to copy the script that I have here, which contains 18 time intelligence functions. All I have to do is simply copy this entire piece of code, head back into Power BI, go to the TMDL tab, and then let's add a new tab here, paste this piece of code. Now all you have to change in this piece of code is find and replace the date column. In this case, I have the calendar table and the date column here is date. So I don't really have to do anything, but in case your table name is different and your date field is different, all you have to do is just copy this line here and hit Ctrl H. You will find the find replace option. Paste the new table and column details here and replace all, and you will be done. Once you've replaced, all you have to do is hit this apply button. Before I do that, I have this lineage tag copied here. I'm going to just delete this and then hit the apply button. And you've come across an error here. And let me click on show details. What it's basically saying is the model property discourage implicit measures must be set to true in order to create any calculation groups. So before I create any calculation groups, I need to disable the implicit measures. So to disable the implicit measures, let's go to the model view. Let's go to the model tab, click on the semantic model, and then expand the properties section. Over here, you have an option which says discourage implicit measures. Just check this box here and then you're done. Let's go back to TMDL view and then hit the apply button. And now in just fraction of a second, all of these 18 time intelligence functions are created in your Power BI model. And all I have to now do is hit this refresh button. And once this is refreshed, you will see that we've added a new calculation group in here called time intelligence. Let's test this out. From my sales table, I'm going to bring in the region and then I'm going to bring in the calculation groups as well. And now you will see an error something like this. All you have to now do is create a new measure called total sales. I'm going to call this as total underscore sales is equals to calculate sum of the sales amount from my sales table. Close the brackets and confirm, and now bring in the total sales into this table and you are done. Let's change this into a matrix, and now you will see that we have created all of these 18 different time intelligence functions or calculations in your Power BI report with just a few clicks. And another thing for you to notice here is that we have formatted these measures as well. Wherever we have percentage here with 2 decimal places, and wherever we have numbers, we have the 1000 separator automatically added to our measures. And if you want to change them, you can go back into the TMDL view and change the format string definition here for all of these measures. And if these 18 different time intelligence functions are not enough for you and you want to add more, in the next video, I'm going to explain how you can take this script and modify it using Copilot and add new measures based on your requirement. In the description below, you will find the link to these 18 different time intelligence functions which you can use to create calculation groups in your Power BI model. So that's it guys in this particular tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. You've learned something new today. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more such tutorials.